So today I'm showing you how to go from a simple idea or concept to a finished online business ready to onboard your first clients. And it works for pretty much any type of business you have in mind. And the best part, you don't need to hire anyone or know how to code. You can do all of this yourself even if you've never built an online business before. And you won't be juggling multiple apps and multiple subscriptions. We're only going to use one single tool for this. So that means today you'll get your website built, logo and all, then get it found online as well, and not just on Google but also inside ChatGPT, which is quite essential nowadays. Plus taking bookings, including a complete CRM system as well to keep track of all your leads and real payment as well. So follow along with me, and by the end of today you'll have a website capable of receiving its first orders. Very good, so let's get straight into it now. So I'm going to set up a cleaning business from scratch, and look, it doesn't have to be cleaning. This works exactly the same whether you're a coach, a dog groomer, a consultant, a barber, whatever you're into. The steps don't change at all, it's all the same. And we're doing all of this inside one single tool called Durable. So normally you'd be signing up for a website builder, then you need hosting provider as well, CRM system for your bookings, and then most likely an email tool as well. So that's 5 or 6 subscriptions and a good week of your life gone just setting it all up. Now Durable, on the other hand, rolls all of that into one, and the AI does all the heavy lifting for you. And the best part, you can start completely free and follow along with me. Okay, so let's get started now. So welcome to Durable. So their website is durable.com, but as always, I leave all the links in the description below. So why are we using Durable? Well, not only is it an AI website builder, but it also has another few features that are super handy as one complete comprehensive solution. So you also have the AI blog builder, you have bookings, you have AI brand builder. So this will design your logo and everything related to your branding, SEO and GEO. So this is even more important to get found on AI search engines as well, and payment solution. Now again, most AI platforms are capable of building a website, but it's very rare to find all these solutions built in all at once. And this is why we're going to use Durable today. So they have a few different examples here underneath. So this one here, as you can see, is for detailing business. So if you click on this, this is the prompt. You can start straight from here if you wanted to. This one here is for landscaping business. We have photography. What else do we have? We have coaching business, and so on and so on. Or you can go right here on top in the resources and you'll find the website templates, where you'll find a large selection of the most popular types of businesses. So in our case, this is most likely professional services. And now if we scroll down the page, I'm sure we'll find something related to cleaning. So let's have a quick look. So there is one here, cleaning website template. And there you go. So you can start from here. This is really up to you. So you can generate the website, or you can go straight to the home page. And as you can see, you can enter your prompt and start completely free. Now, if you're not too sure how to phrase your prompt, there's a little help here for you. So if you click on this, you have different ideas that will pop up on the screen that you can use to start your project. So this is for personal training. Let's start again. This is for coaching business. We have spa business, and so on and so on. So let's go on the assumption that you have a clear idea of what you want. So let's delete this and let me enter my own prompt now. So perhaps something like this. We are a reliable professional cleaning company serving homes and businesses across Dublin. We offer regular domestic cleaning, deep cleans, end of tenancy cleaning, and so on and so on. Okay. Now don't worry too much at this stage. All you need is a very simple description of your project, because we can make all the changes that we want afterwards regardless. Okay. So now we click start for free and then create an account, after which you'll access a very simple onboarding process. So this is our prompt. So let's move on to the next step. Select your current monthly revenue. So where is your business located? So I'm going to select Dublin, Ireland here, and check this out. You can even select your own language. So by default it'd be English, but you also have Spanish, Portuguese, Italian, French, Indonesian, German, and a few more. So next, what is the name of your business? So let's say maybe Emerald Clean. So this is a quick recap of what we're building. Emerald Clean, a cleaning company based in Dublin. Okay, so let's start building. And yeah, that's ready actually. So this took just a few seconds, guys. As you can see, very, very efficient indeed. So let's have a quick look. Okay, so for this, you can simply click on it. Very good. So let's discover this page and see what Durable came up with. So this is the hero section. So main heading, subheading. So this is fine. A couple of images. Here we have honest cleaning for homes and businesses. Here we have our different categories. So like we said, we have domestic cleaning, end of tenancy, office cleaning, deep cleaning. We have regular maintenance, moving cleaning, so this is fine. Followed by the reviews, a few testimonials, this is perfect. A contact form, excellent. And Q&A, and then underneath a bit more information. So this is absolutely fine. So the first thing I'd like to show you, before we go into anything else, if you like the structure of your page, don't worry about the text at the minute or the images. We can change everything afterwards. But if you don't like the layout, if you don't like the theme, there is a super handy feature which is called themes right here on top, and you can change the theme in just a second. And let me scroll the page just to show you how many different themes you can choose from. They all look different, they all have a different vibe, a different atmosphere, they will convey a message completely differently. So let's pick another one here as an example. So let's go with this one here. And wow, that looks a lot better because we are running a cleaning company. I think it is important that the layout is bright and clean as well to convey this idea. Also, this theme here, it's much more easier to navigate. We have all the different areas here: domestic cleaning, head of tenancy, office cleaning, deep cleaning, regular maintenance, moving cleaning. This is absolutely amazing. So if you're happy with the theme, simply confirm. Now, before I show you how to customize everything on your website, let's take care of our logo first. So as you can see at the minute, this is text, but we can easily insert a logo there and even have Durable created for us. And that's the beauty of Durable. You have a menu here by the side and you can jump from one section to the other. Your work is being saved automatically and you're at no risk of deleting anything. So let's create the logo together. So this is inside the studio, which is where you'll find all your templates and all the images being used on your website. And right here on top, as you can see, this is where you can create your logo. Simply select the style, add some details of what you want, and then run the prompt. And here is our logo, which we can now add to our header. So back to our website now. Let's edit our navigation bar. Let's go to images, select the image we created, and confirm. Now let me show you how you can easily change everything on your website. Don't like the heading here? Click on it. And then you can ask Durable to make it longer, shorter, more casual, more professional, or you can enter your own prompt. For instance, change the main heading, it's not punchy enough. Also, the smell of bleach is not a good selling point. And there you go, your home, brilliantly clean every time. That's a lot stronger already. And if you already have a USP or a tagline, you can simply type it yourself. Don't like that image? You can regenerate it. And there you go, done. You like a section, but you're not too sure about the layout? Go into design and simply try a different one. Don't like this section here? Simply delete it. Want to move it around? Use the up and down arrow. Want to change those internal pages, services, about and contact? Simply go here, edit them separately, and apply the exact same principles. You like the overall layout, but you want to change a few colors? Simply go to Customize, go into the color palette, and choose your own colors, or customize them individually. Not sure about the font? Try another one. Scroll down the page and select your favorite font. Okay, so now for the good bit, the money part is the bookings. So we're going to switch on online booking, hook it up to your calendar so it can never double book you, and we'll turn on payment as well. And that right there is the difference between having a website and having a business. So back to our website, in the menu section, you have a small calendar here. This is where you can enable that feature. As you can see, this is a paid feature, obviously, so we have to upgrade to the paid plan. It starts at just $22 per month. So let me upgrade. And as I can see, I've successfully upgraded. So let's go. So let's set this up together. So we go back here, set up booking. First step is to select our time zone, enter our opening hours, add our services. So for instance, we could have private house cleaning at $285. This is a complete house cleaning for up to 4 bedrooms. After this, we have to select the location. Check this out, guys. This is absolutely amazing. So how are you going to meet your customers? At a physical address, by phone number, or Google Meet. So depending on your circumstances, feel free to select any of those. If it's a physical address, are you going to provide the address or ask the customer? In our case, we're going to ask the customer, obviously. And then we have the time option, so the duration, slot increment, the buffer time, additional payment options, so payment and cancellation, and the booking form itself. So what type of details do you require? And you can, of course, add more than one service. And finally, select your currency and your tax rate. So in Ireland is 23%. And we're done already. Excellent. So let's put this to the test. So book now. So let's select our service. So house cleaning. When? Let's say Wednesday the 15th. Maybe at 12:30 p.m. So let's continue. Here we're going to enter our details. So just like so. So continue. And there you go. This is our booking confirmation, which was also sent to his email address. Now you can access all your bookings here in the menu section. And there you go. As you can see, we booked this for Wednesday the 15th at 12:30. And you have the booking right here as well. So if you click on it, this is the full details. So you know exactly what to do once you get there. Now, if you want your bookings to be prepaid, you can do that very easily. Go to your settings here, go to payments. And for this, all you have to do is to connect your Stripe account and you can request full prepayment or payment after appointment. Now, in some cases, you might have to go back to your settings here and set this up from the payment section here. So depending on your situation, please follow the steps. Okay, so next is the CRM system, but this is not any CRM system. Here's the clever bit. There's an AI agent that actually replies to those leads for you. So someone messages you at 10 p.m. in the evening, it answers them, keeps them warm while you're sat on the couch or fast asleep. Honestly, that thing alone is worth it for most people. So in your menu section in the Customers tab, this is where you'll find all your leads and this is where your CRM system lives. So remember Seamus McPadden here, so he came into contact with us via booking, so he booked this online himself. But if someone contacts you via any point of entry on your website, like via your contact form, for instance, maybe someone is looking for the house cleaning because they're having a few guests over the weekend and they need the house cleaned before that. So there's no specific date. Maybe you can help them directly using AI and book the appointment for them based on your availability. So let me submit this. And as you can see, her inquiry has been recorded here with her message. Now, you know how it goes online. People usually send multiple inquiries to multiple service providers to secure at least one appointment. So what you do now is to implement AI. So AI will reply immediately. So for this, we go by the side here. You go to website leads. This is an amazing tool. As you can see, you can start your agent. So what does it do exactly? It will respond to leads before they go cold. As you can see, you can monitor new contact form submission in real time, draft thoughtful replies matched to your tone, flag urgent inquiry for immediate attention, and track response times and lead volume. So this alone, guys, is an absolutely amazing feature that will drastically improve your business and your conversion rate. And for this, all you have to do is to start the agent, and now you can train it to reply exactly the way you would. And there you go. Hi, David. I'm your website leads assistant. So how does it work? A lead comes in. So like we said, someone fills out the contact form on our website. AI will draft a reply, we approve it, and AI will send it. So let's put this to the test. If you open this by the side, you have all the different leads. As you can see, Stacy Bradford needs our attention. Her inquiry was having a few guests over the weekend, need my house cleaned before that. And this is the email that was generated for us. So hi, Stacy, thanks for reaching out. To make sure we have everything covered, could you let you know what day this week suits you, which areas of the house you'd like us to focus on, and roughly how many bedrooms and bathroom. So a well-professionally written email that's guaranteed to get Stacy's attention. Very good. So when you use Durable, obviously your website is already hosted. The only thing missing now is your actual domain name. So let's take care of this now. So as you build your website on Durable, you are provided with a temporary URL, which is this one here, which is not really user-friendly, and also it's under durable.site. So now we want to add our own domain name, like mrweb.tv, for instance. So for this, simply go by the side here, get a custom domain, and then from here you have two different options. You can get a free custom domain, which is valued at $20, which is highly recommended, or perhaps you already own one, in which case you'll go ahead with this option here. So let's pretend you don't have a domain name yet. You started completely fresh. So let's click on this one together. Now, as expected, emeraldclean.com is taken, but there's a few different options here that we can choose from. One that's very nice, I've noticed this one here, emeraldclean.services, which suits us perfectly. So I'm going to go ahead with this one. So normally this would cost us $15.99. The fee has been waived completely, so we can get the domain. And there you go, it's yours. All right, so now a website that nobody sees is useless, so let's get it found. Now, Durable sets you up for Google automatically, so the SEO side is done for you. But here's the new one. It also optimizes you to show up in ChatGPT and AI searches. And let's be honest, that's where everyone is nowadays, so let's get this set up now. Very good. So back to our menu section here, SEO and GEO. And straight up, as you can see, we have a visibility score of only 10 out of 100, which is quite low, but to be expected as well because we haven't optimized anything yet. So right here by the side, you have a few other steps you can take care of to improve your visibility. So for instance, connect or create a Google business profile, get your first reviews, and list your business on at least 2 different directories. If you scroll down underneath, as you can see, you have the AI visibility ranking. So it's going to give you a complete overview in ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Perplexity, and Grok of the companies that are already ranking on those keywords we want to rank for. So for instance, if you expand here, as you can see, we have Dublin house cleaning, we have green cleaning for you, we have bio cleaning Dublin, and so on and so on. So these are the businesses we are competing with, and this is a clear overview of what's happening and what's available online already. And thanks to the SEO and GEO feature, we'll be able to be more visible. As you can see underneath, you have all the different directories we should normally be listed on. For instance, Google Business Profile, Yelp, Facebook, Bing Places for Business, Angie, Thumbtack, and so on and so on. And then underneath you have the competitor analysis. This is a very important feature. So these are all the steps we can take care of manually to improve our ranking, but also on top of that, built into every durable site and business, SEO and GEO, structured data, optimizations, and AI agents run automatically, so you stay findable without the busy work. So behind the scenes, all of these are taking place even without your intervention. And for this, we're going to use the AI partner right here in your menu section. And with it, you can generate competitive intelligence report, daily social media post, and also weekly business recap. So in our case, let's try the daily social media post. And there it is. This is the finished product. As you can see, our logo here, clean spaces, better places, professional cleaning you can trust. That looks really professional. And the image, the full size one, is just underneath here. You can simply download it. And this is the text and the content that goes with it. So you have the caption, the text, and the hashtags. And now you can come back here every day and get your daily caption. And another way to drive traffic to your website organically is by creating blog posts, which is again fully AI powered. So let's get started. And it's giving us a few different options here with the opportunity level and viability as well. Actually all very good. So let's try this one here. End of tenancy cleaning in Dublin, what landlords and tenants actually need to know. So first it's going to check what's available online to have a clear picture of the competitive landscape, and only then will it write a complete blog article, which is right here. So if you want to review it, simply click on it. And there it is. As you can see, very professional looking, a lot of text, a lot of keywords inserted as well, and you'll get found for specific phrases and specific search terms related to your industry and business model. If you're happy enough, all you have to do is click publish. And now if we go to our website and check the blog section, as you can see, our article has now been published. And if you do so every single day, you will start ranking up on Google for very specific keywords related to your industry. So here's the final verdict. It's not for absolutely everyone. If you need a massive online shop or fully custom website, pixel perfect, well, this isn't the right tool for you. But if you've got an idea and want to be actually in business today instead of in 6 weeks' time, well, to be honest, this is an offer that's hard to beat. Alright, so go and play with it yourself. It's completely free to get started. And again, I'll leave all the links in the description below. And please do us a favor, hit that subscribe button because I've got a lot more of this stuff coming your way.